Damn, boy. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we are out here at the Rolls with Parker, and he just got his prototype bumpers, my old prototype bumpers, put on his truck, and we're gonna go and get into some mischief out here and try to beat the heat. It's already 110 degrees, but let's go get into the trail.
Your truck's gonna look good when we get this fire on it.
You're gonna hit your bumper. Gonna hit your bumper. Oh, never mind. All right, everybody, we just got to the Butcher Jones lakeshore area. It's pretty cool. Let's hope our trucks pull out of the sand here. I don't want to pull a Ford moment and just get stuck in the water, but I'm just chilling out here and eating my breakfast, and gonna hit the trail after that. And it's pretty easy. I don't know what the fuck people think about this. Is a 7 out of 10 trail. Parker, what do you think? 3?
Yeah, if that.
3?
I think I can get my mom's Corolla in here.
Yeah, like any two-wheel drive fucking truck can make this trail. I don't know what everybody's fucking smoking, but we're just hanging out. It's hot as shit. It's probably like 110 degrees right now.
Oh, it's beautiful outside.
Yeah, it's great. everybody. We're gonna let Parker drive my truck and I'm gonna drive his and see how those icons feel. So let's go check out these icon coilovers, dude. I'm a little, got your keys in there? Yeah. Okay, mine are right there. All right, have fun.
Yeah, you lead.
Yeah, all right, let's see. I don't know where we're going. You got the maps right here? Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, the cloth seats, dude. They feel pretty nice, not gonna lie. All right, safety first. Oh, he's got to change engine oil soon light. That's not very good. Oh yeah, I forgot my radio. Change engine oil soon. Don't worry about it. Shit. All right, let's
Oh my God, look at these leather seats.
I kind of like how yours are. But I have no maps because your phone's in my truck.
I got my icons put on at 500 miles, so my truck was bone stop. God damn! This thing's a fucking pig! Does pretty good though. Even for a Z71, the stock suspension's pretty nice. Oh. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's convenient to be able to see right over hills. There we go. It's honestly not bad at all. This truck's definitely pretty heavy though. I can say that. It's not that bad.
Maybe it's on my head.
Yeah, I think you're thinking about it too hard.
All right, everybody, we're out heading back out, and this is the Hill of Doom. I didn't really get any clips of us going down it at first, but now your boy's gonna film up this hill with this nice flip-flops on, and you'll see it's a lot of like loose gravel and shit on this pretty steep incline. Nothing crazy, but yeah, let's go crawling up some rocks. Yeah. Oh. All right, everybody. We're out here doing this for you. Just ran up this big ass hill. Now I gotta run down it, then wheel right back up it. Look how small my truck is down there. The itty bitty thing. And now, it's a workout. No one talks about how YouTube's a workout. Holy fuck, man. All right, YouTube, we're going on a rescue mission right now. Some lady in her Tesla, her husband is lost out here in the desert, and we're gonna try to save him. All right, we're gonna do God's work here. God's work. We're gonna try to find him. Let's get it. All right, everybody. A day of off-roading. We're about to leave, get out of here, and some lady said her husband broke down out here in Butcher Jones on his dirt bike, and he's kind of just out here probably getting heat stroke. So
Yeah, it's weird. It's like, oh, it's just loading fine. It's just not like taking course.
So we're out here trying to save a man's life, and we're doing God's work. Let's go find this man. All right, guys, just a little heads up here. If you ever get lost or stuck somewhere, don't go walking. So the first pin she gave us, it was off of a different road, and then he started walking towards somewhere else. And now we got to take that, and no service out here. So, and it's 110 degrees right now. So hopefully we can find him. Hopefully he's on this trail. But like I said, if we get stuck or stranded, don't go moving around, because if you're on a trail, somebody's gonna end up driving past you, and they'll find you. But if you keep moving, you can't get them. So we're gonna hopefully find this guy. I'm a little worried about him because it is hot outside, and he's been walking this whole time. That's not good. So I'll check back in a bit. All right, guys. Well, someone else on the trail eventually got him. We're right behind him right now, so thankfully the guy's safe and he didn't pass out, and he had to leave his dirt bike out there. So yeah, we're just gonna go finish this trail, air back up, and talk to the guy, see how he's doing. His wife gave me a banana, so I gotta give him his banana. So all right, everybody, that's about it for today's trail. We I guess we saved that guy. He found a way back, so I'm happy he's okay. It is really hot out here, starting to get spicy, but me and Parker just aired up, and now we're about to head home. I'm about to go pick up my rigged Ultra Swing at home. So next video is gonna be that. I appreciate you guys watching. Check out my shop. Caitlin has some new merch on there, DOWNTIMELOST.com. Check it out. I love you guys so much. Peace out. Take it easy.